Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're talking about SWELL Coin. Can it hit $0.2163? Let's break down the latest price analysis, key levels, and what to expect next. SWELL Coin is making big moves right now, with a market cap of around $35 million and a trading volume of nearly $39 million. The volume to market cap ratio is extremely bullish, sitting at almost 100%. On top of that, there are no token unlocks coming in 2025, meaning we have 225 days ahead without major supply pressure. So, where is SWELL Coin heading? The key target right now is $0.2163, which aligns with the 55-day moving average and an important resistance level. If we break through this zone, we could see even more upside, potentially reaching 27 cents or even 30 cents. For those looking to enter, the best buy zone is between 16 cents and 17 cents. Buying in this range and selling at $0.2163 could mean a 35% gain. The downside risk is minimal, as we are already near the lowest support zones. As long as SWELL Coin stays above 15 cents, the bullish trend remains strong. That's the latest analysis on SWELL Coin. Let me know in the comments. Do you think it can break $0.2163? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto updates.